Alright, we're going to talk about how to import your personal address book from Novell GroupWise into your Microsoft Outlook client. This particularly is for a lot of our users that were recently migrated from a GroupWise system, folks such as JFS or Ohio Medicaid. So what I did was I quickly did a search on how to import them, and the article came up, Microsoft's knowledge base article 262154, and it gives you a handy little set of step-by-step instructions. And so now let's go follow these instructions. So what I've done is open up my email client, and I've received a NAB file, and you can see in my contacts here I don't have any contacts because I was recently migrated, and now I would like to bring all my contacts that I've used for however many years, and I want them in my Microsoft Outlook. So what we're going to do is first you need to export your NAB file from GroupWise. Just go down to your file, right click, export, save it as a CSV file. That's comma separated values, and you can name it whatever you want, contacts or address book. Just make sure you name it so it's something you remember, and then you can email it to yourself, save it on your computer that you're going to be using your email on. And I've gone ahead and saved mine here on the desktop. It's called Novell Frequent Contacts. And let's bring up my mail client again. So now, how do I get them in here? Simply go to File, and we're going to go to Open. We're going to click Import. The very first thing selected is Import from another file or program. Leave it checked. We're going to click Next. And we're going to go up here. We're going to find comma separated values, Windows. Click Next. Let's browse to the file. We can see that it's located here. Alright, so we've got our file listed. We're going to allow duplicates to be created. This is kind of your choice. If you had duplicate contacts before and you want them again, let it do it again. If you don't want them, don't do it. And we'll click Next. This is where it's going to create them at. More often than not, you're going to want to create these in the contacts area, so it's selected by default. Click Next, and click Finish. So the default should be fine. If they import and it doesn't come up the way you want, you can go back and do this again, and you can go to the option where it says change map fields, and that's where you would change the way it's importing. You can see the client's acting a little strange through this demo, but it's importing in the background. And let's close that down. So we can see we're getting lots of contacts created. They're running back there. Let's see. I believe it's now finished, and it's created a lot. Okay, good deal. So, in a nutshell, that is how you import the contacts from GroupWise address book to your Microsoft Outlook client. Thank you.